Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews of the most exciting motorcycles from around the world. In today's episode, we take a detailed look at one of the most anticipated mid-weight adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650. This bike has created quite a buzz in the ADV world, bringing the legendary Africa Twin DNA into a lighter, more accessible package. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time adventurer, this bike could be the game-changer you've been waiting for. The evolution of the Africa Twin lineage. The Africa Twin name isn't new to adventure enthusiasts. It's a name built on decades of off-road success and long-distance endurance. From its Dakar rally roots in the 1980s to the sophisticated CRF 1100L we know today, the Africa Twin has come a long way. However, Honda noticed a gap in the market, riders wanting a similar experience but in a lighter, more affordable format. That's where the 2025 Africa Twin 650 comes in. It's built to preserve the spirit of adventure while opening the door to a wider audience of riders. Design and aesthetics, true to its roots. One of the standout features of the Africa Twin 650 is its striking design. Honda has made sure that this bike looks and feels like a true Africa Twin. From its tall windscreen, rally-style front beak, muscular tank shrouds, and dual LED headlights, everything screams adventure. The bodywork is sleek yet purposeful, offering protection against wind and debris while maintaining a commanding road presence. Color options include the iconic tricolor rally white, matte steel black metallic, and a stunning desert gold edition, each tailored to appeal to both urban commuters and rugged adventurers. Engine and performance, power meets practicality. At the heart of the 2025 Africa Twin 650 is a brand new 648cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. Tuned for both low-end torque and high-end efficiency, this engine delivers around 68 horsepower and 60 Nm of torque, offering enough grunt for off-road climbs, highway overtakes, and smooth city commutes. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and Honda is also offering a DCT, dual-clutch transmission, version for riders who prefer a clutch-free experience. Power delivery is smooth and linear, making it perfect for both new riders and seasoned adventurers. The bike performs admirably in all kinds of terrain, from twisty mountain roads to loose gravel tracks. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The Africa Twin 650 rides on a semi-double cradle frame that offers excellent rigidity and feedback. The frame has been designed to keep the overall weight low while providing durability for rough terrain. Combined with a relatively low seat height of 830 mm, the bike is easy to maneuver even for shorter riders. Suspension duties are handled by 43 mm show a USD forks with 210 mm of travel up front, and a ProLink rear monoshock with adjustable preload and rebound damping. This setup allows the bike to glide over potholes, rocks, and trail debris with ease. It handles with confidence on both tarmac and dirt, striking the right balance between comfort and control. Wheels, tires, and braking system. In true ADV style, the Africa Twin 650 comes with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wire-spoke wheels, wrapped in dual-sport tubeless tires. These wheels provide excellent off-road capability while ensuring decent on-road grip. For braking, the bike is equipped with dual 296 mm front discs with Nissan 2-piston calipers, and a single 256 mm rear disc. The ABS is switchable, allowing riders to turn off rear ABS during off-road riding. Honda has also included an off-road ABS mode, giving riders more control in loose or slippery conditions. Electronics and rider aids, tech-forward adventure. Honda hasn't held back on tech for the Africa Twin 650. The bike features a 5-inch full-color TFT display that includes Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, call alerts, and music control. It also comes with 4 preset riding modes: urban, tour, gravel, and user, each modifying throttle response, traction control, and ABS behavior. The Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, is standard, allowing riders to adjust traction sensitivity depending on road conditions. You'll also find cruise control, a USB-C charging port, all LED lighting, and emergency stop signal tech, features usually reserved for premium models. Comfort and ergonomics, ready for the long haul. Adventure bikes must be comfortable for long rides, and Honda has delivered. The Africa Twin 650 features a wide, well-padded seat with generous room for both rider and passenger. The handlebars are positioned high and wide, offering a commanding view of the road and easy transition between seated and standing riding. The adjustable windscreen offers decent protection from wind blast, and optional accessories like heated grips, panniers, and taller windscreens allow for further customization. With a fuel tank capacity of 18.5 liters, you're looking at a practical range of 350 to 400 kilometers on a single fill, ideal for long tours and remote trails. Off-road capability is born to explore. Despite being more compact, the Africa Twin 650 is a true off-roader at heart. With a ground clearance of 230 mm, long suspension travel, switchable ABS, and a torque-rich engine, it's built for riders who want to leave the pavement behind. Whether you're tackling muddy trails, dry riverbeds, or rocky climbs, the bike remains composed and responsive. Honda offers a range of adventure accessories including bash plates, handguards, crash bars, and luggage systems, making this bike ready for everything from weekend trail runs to cross-country expeditions. Competitors and market position. In the midweight ADV segment, the Africa Twin 650 goes up against bikes like the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 790 Adventure, Suzuki V-Strom 650, and Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. While each of these has its own strengths, the Honda shines in offering a perfect blend of reliability, versatility, and technology. Its balanced performance, refined engine, and feature-rich package give it a strong edge in the segment. Pricing and availability. As of mid-2025, the Honda Africa Twin 650 is priced at approximately $9,999 for the base model and around $10,799 for the DCT variant. In Asian markets like India, Indonesia, and Thailand, localized production will help keep prices competitive. The bike will be available globally in phases, with Europe, Southeast Asia, and Australia getting early access, followed by North America and Africa in the last quarter of 2025. Conclusion: the perfect adventure companion? To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650 is not just a baby Africa Twin, it's a serious adventure bike in its own right. It's built for those who want to explore without the bulk of a leader-class machine, yet demand premium features and true off-road capability. Whether you're commuting in the city, cruising on highways, or tackling untamed trails, this bike does it all with Honda's signature reliability and refinement. Outro: subscribe to Bike Review Pro. Thank you for tuning in to Bike Review Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive motorcycle reviews. Let us know in the comments, is the Africa Twin 650 your next adventure bike? Or do you have your eye on something else? Until next time, ride safe, ride free, and keep exploring.